Hi, I'm Mike Hargis with the Hargis Family Agency. And I just want to take a second to kind of explain the auto quote that we sent you and give you some knowledge around what to expect when you're quoting your auto insurance. So what you want to look at is most of the time it's going to be the quote will be arranged in this order. So you'll have bodily injury liability. And here's just some example numbers: 100,000, 300,000. What this means is if you're in an at-fault accident and you hurt somebody else, bodily injury, the policy will pay up to 100,000 from one person or up to 300,000 for two or more injured in an accident. It also has property damage liability. So if you're in an at-fault accident and you damage several cars or a fence or a house, we'll pay up to $100,000 there. That's the maximum amount on that policy for property damage. Underinsured and uninsured motorist right here is also a coverage that covers you and your family. So the liability pays somebody else, but uninsured and underinsured pays you. So if that person does not have insurance, that's called uninsured motorist coverage, and your own policy will pay for your injuries. If they don't have enough insurance, let's say they have state minimum. In Tennessee, that's 25, 50, 25, and they hit you, they're at fault, they injure your family, and it needs more than that amount, then this coverage kicks in to pay the excess. You also have comprehensive with a $500 deductible. You're pretty familiar with that. That covers theft, flood, hail damage, fire. That's why they call it comprehensive. It covers a lot of things around your vehicle with a $500 deductible. So if you've got a $30,000 car, it's going to pay you $29,500. Collision also is at a $500 deductible on this example. So the same idea, if you run your car into something, you're at fault and your car's damaged, you pay $500 and we would replace it. Again, the same example, $29,500 of a $30,000 car. You also have car rental coverage. So if your car is disabled due to an accident, we would pay $40 a day up to $1,200 max while your car is in the shop being repaired. Emergency road service pays for towing and that kind of thing. Somebody bring you gas, so that coverage is typically included in a lot of auto quotes. And then the final number on here is medical expense, $5,000. And what MedPay expense pays for is, without a lawsuit, we can pay up to $5,000 for somebody injured that's a guest passenger in your car. They slam their finger in the door and break some fingers, something along those lines. Or if they're injured getting out, in or out of your car, we can pay that without having to go through a lawsuit. So that kind of explains to you how the order of the quotes that you get from us or other companies and what the terms mean. Thanks.